Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to find a user ID in Telegram. So for that, first thing is you open the Telegram application, tap open the app. So once you open the Telegram application, what you need to do over here is you need to tap on the search icon on the top right, tap that. So once you're at the search icon, you need to type in few info over here, that is @user info bot. There are a ton of thus designed with similar name. So we need to make sure that we select the right one. So you just tap on one. Once you have the right one, you're ready to go. As soon as you hit the start button, on your conversation you will have your conversation start with a user info bot. You will immediately receive a message with your account name and ID number. So if you are looking for your own user ID information, this is the information that you needed. This is the user ID of yours. If you're looking for the user ID for someone else, you need to forward a message to this account head into a thread that contain a message from the user you want to search. Then I will make a different video on how you can find someone else's user ID on Telegram. For that, please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.